In this recording, I want to introduce you to Project 1 for Competency 1. You will be making a composite image using selections from a variety of images to create a character, thing, or animal. What you're looking at right now on the screen is an example by a student that created like a bunny rabbit by making selections from different kinds of kitchen tools such as forks, ladles, tongs. She did add, or he added, a piece of lettuce in the background, and you can add some additional background images to the character or creature that you create. In this next example, the image was primarily created with flower petals with some selections from a wooden spoon and a wooden handled spoon or ladle, and even the arms that look white were cutouts from a piece of a kitchen tool, which you may see in just a moment. And then this example is made primarily from flower petals that to create a jellyfish. So there's a wide variety of things. It doesn't have to necessarily be realistic. It can be an imaginary character. So that's just to give you a start of an idea. Here are some of the examples of the tools that will be made available to you from which to make selections. You do not need to make a selection of the whole tool. It could be a piece of the tool. It could be just the top of this tool or the top of this tool, the stem, the handle only. I've even had students make selections out of negative spaces like the holes in this spoon, and even the fork. And this one here are some examples of some of the flowers that you probably saw partly used in some of those examples I just showed you. And I'll just close these down. And this is another image of the tools that you can use for your image, for your composite. Now, the first thing it asks you to do is to set up a Photoshop document at 7 by 10 inches at 200 ppi in RGB mode. So I want you to start with Photoshop first and select New, and I want you to select 7 by 10 inches at 200 ppi. I don't know what happened to my 7 there. Now this right now would start off as a vertical document. It's 7 inches wide by 10 inches high at 200 ppi. So if you know that you want to create something that's vertical, then go ahead and set it up this direction. If you choose to do something that's horizontal, start with 10, choose 7 for the height, and leave it at 200 ppi, and you'd end up with an open document like this. Now over here I have a couple things that I might show you. This is a picture of a sketch of a girl that could be used as a template for a vertical formatted character. This is a picture that I got off the web of an elephant that could also possibly be used as a template to help you lay out the elements of your tools to create your character, presuming that you want to start with something that is based upon a real-life animal of some sort. Anyway, that's all that I'm going to show you at this moment, and then I'll start showing you how you can put this composition together in just a moment.